fairy.
That'll do, I reckon.
Fairy liquid.
Right.
Stand back.
Stand back. Don't lean over this time.
Yeah, don't leave over.
Oh,
Quick. Is it doing it?
not yet. Lid on.
Is it doing it?
It's already in. Ready?
Hey. It went all over Jacob. Oh, this is what it did. That was what it did for Harry, weren't it, Harry?
Yeah.
Actually, we did it right. Is that I knew
was
did
better.
it the right way? We did it.
Oh!
And I really did it. It might squirt at you.
It's got an afro.
Still going. It's still going. I think he didn't squirt out this time. It squirted a lot out last time. Right, got the goggles on. I need my goggles on if it squirts in my eyes.
Yeah,